Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh, my fellow Muslims Ummah in Islam religion whole world. Good day and good afternoon to our non-Muslims brothers and sisters from the different religions on earth. Thank you for your humanitarian aids to the starved Palestinian peoples on the ground. Thank you for your airdrops humanitarian aids to the Palestinian peoples on the ground. Thank you, Shukran. Thank you, Shukran, for your humanitarian truckloads of humanitarian aids that has been delivered to the starved Palestinian peoples on the ground. Thank you, Shukran. Shukran, Muslims Ummah. Shukrans, non-Muslims brothers and sisters, whole world leaders and organizations from the different religions. Shukran, thank you for humanity. Thank you, Shukran, for your good deeds. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will reward your good deeds, inshallah. Thank you. Calling for the attention of Palestinian peoples, refugees and civilians on the ground in the Gaza City, please you must have to evacuate now. Save your lives first and be safe and sound. Go as far as you can go, far away from the ground in the Gaza City, please, before the bloody war begins between the Israeli IDF and the Palestinian resistance soldiers. So, before it begins to fight against each other on the ground in the Gaza City, you must have to evacuate now Palestinian peoples, refugees, and civilians. Go as far as you can go, far away from the ground in the Gaza City, please, before the bloody wars begins between the Israeli IDF and the Palestinian soldiers' resistance, please. And calling for the attentions of all Muslims Ummah in Islam religions and whole world leaders and countries from the different religions on earth, whole world leaders and whole world organizations, please, we are calling for your attentions and actions now, without delay, without hesitations, without discussions, without conversations is needed, without doubt. Please, you must have to actions now. This is an important and serious things and matters now. So your actions now is needed. Please, before it's too late, you must have to halt to stop Israeli Netanyahu from his evil and unacceptable plans to occupy the Gaza City, against the entirely international laws, against the Palestinian people's self-determination of Palestinian people's freedom of their own homeland, Gaza, West Bank, Palestine state. Please, you must have to stop him now. Your actions is needed now. Do your